You don't have to buy fuel anymore. You're just plugging it in for your electricity, which is dramatically low.
Kasorkar kampat laban pendiang ya kata ka power supply watang haki household bangi ong nak mo dekat ban ong ya kata ka kadi tingin nang syu ban batai ken.
We can't wait for the time that we have a power efficiency in the state and then we can promote electric vehicle. This will go side by side. Right.
Hato no ke jela Meghalaya kalong ke pepin kre ban pendan kamno dagi kali boarding lani kita ki electric vehicle haga jaka ki kali ki bayar daga petrol lani ke diesel. Kublai parlong ngade iban kentiu Mauri naga bentau forefront media. Kejing kela jong kapor kejing kiu stet karoi kapar kejing mi jong ki kor ki board mai kalawan ra ya kejing kela ha kejing im ubriu. Henry, ringkat bat keni keroi kapar, ringkat ru bat kejing bun brio ha ke perthei, kamariang bakasau dong kasau kon kejongi kedon hapdeng kejing kela. Om kejing pha, Henry keban bu jingma yangi baro nadangim kloy ban wanra ya kilat lenti ban penne pensa yaka. Kawai nakini kabapinja klia ya kalair kabangi ring mensim kadai katedem kabami naki kali lani kata kabaki ong ka emission. Bante lakam ya kani kejing ka Sarkar Meghalaya kla wanra da ka electric vehicle policy arajar arpuai bante lakam ya kejing pendan kam ya ki kali bayar da ka petrol lani ka diesel bat ben pinchlor ya kejing pendan kam ya ki kali bayar da ka boarding kata ka baki ong ki electric vehicle. Henry Hato ka Meghalaya kalapan kre ne man pediang ya kini ki e-vehicles. Ki ay kita ki jing mentoy jong kini ki e-vehicles ani kini ki kali boarding. Bentip company halor ka jing mentoy bat ka jing penan kam ya kini ki e-vehicles ani kini kali boarding. Ngilayo banyak keren bat kiriyo syampang ha ka way na ka jilang ha shalong ki ban batai halor kumno ban penan kami kini ki kali.
A lot of things that are actually deterring people from actually adopting e-vehicles right now. One of which is charging infrastructure, as you said, congestion and everything, right? So we are trying first to remove that anxiety which the people are having about driving range. So we have new vehicles which have longer range, and we are also setting up we're also talking about setting up infrastructure according to the policy in Meghalaya that we have in public spaces and everything. Right now we have a constant struggle between the demand and supply thing. We are actually, if there is a demand, then only the infrastructure will be supplied according to the demand, otherwise it will not be used.
We can't wait for the time that we have a power efficiency in the state and then we can promote electric vehicle. This will go side by side.
Right.
So we are primarily looking at, and as this program is highlighting, we're looking at public transport. If you go for the schemes which are available for SC, ST, PWDs, and you go for these schemes which are green business schemes, you get a lot of subsidies. You don't have to buy fuel anymore. You're just plugging it in for your electricity, which is dramatically lower than what it is right now.
Hado minta palat shispa teliki kali electric kidon haga jela, padu menteri rangba u kondat ke sangma ulong away na pedeng kimi ipaiba kibadon ya kanika kali electric. Meghalaya kalong kaway na kilay tali ki jela haga than cha tailam mingi ringkat bat ka sam bat ka Tripura ban pendan kam ya kini ki kali. Kat kung ka jingong jong kinong trey ka Morris Garage Motors kipat ba minta kilastang ban sngow thu ya ka jingdon kam bat ka jingkong san jong kamariang bat kumno ban penduna ya ka jing pendan kam ya ki kali bayar da ka petrol lani ka diesel.
In Meghalaya, people are now very much aware. They are taking a step ahead of shifting from an IC engine vehicle, petrol diesel vehicle to electric vehicle. It's a very good and noble cause for the environment too. One day, after 5 or 10 years whatsoever, all the vehicles will be EV.
Henry kumbaga long himinta kibabon hi nakipait ba kidang sngaw artatin bantiet yaki nagikali na kidaw kibabon. Kaway gede kajing bam yo tikna ka boarding ba kajing snew bat kem palat ki surok ki singkin.
ka sarkar kampat la ban pendiang ya kata ka power supply wat tang haki household bangi ong nak mo dekat ban ong ya kata ka kadi tingin nang syu ban batai ken tin rengin chus ngap ya kita ki jing mentoy kita ki bagi ong mo ki benefits kita ki advantages but ki disadvantages jong kita ki electric vehicle or nakaliang jongi ki pat ba ngilong ready Andre, nakaliang ka sarkar kadiban pensyaswa na Hato kata ka power supply hapo Meghalaya klalong ne am kabala kat ban apot ya kita ki electric vehicle
kita banwanta ikini pi e-vehicle hanya ka Shillong jungi ka Surako nimpat develop ha long kin pat dan kini ki 4 lanes mah kami mostly bidang datang ki 2 lanes and plus ka roadside tu karet first we have to face the problem traffic jam and ya kani banyan lat na kani ru kani ka e-mobility nga treikam sa don problem ni kani ka traffic jam juni firstly can happen biang shek am ya ka light can happen biang lot na dong shedong hai ban charge kumno ban save ka power da ban ta kini kali lada kiya jingai mo bala 20 kilometers kumno can charge kumno can function kini kali kabiang palat mo lada kawan nomor kaya yarap shibon ni ru dai for pollution bedelong firstly we have perkhat shwate iki steps ki bakin dindan kam dindan process ni perkhat ba shwakan khana makan numlong ka jing thotte tang shipor
So especially in Meghalaya where there is a lot of traffic and all, you can go for the Comet. It is very small. It is easy to park, easy to like go run. Even it is very easy to charge. So we have tested. Our customers have tested in the uphill conditions also. The pickup is very nice, and the range it gives is 230 kilometers in a single charge. And to get fully charged, it takes around 5 to 6 hours.
So does it require domestic or power lines?
Any domestic like line you can charge.
It is true that it's not a 100% perfect plan to go electric, but the idea also is that we are a hydro-rich state. We can generate a lot of electricity through that. We also have wind power. We also have solar power. And if we combine it in a hybrid model, then it is possible that we can increase the output in terms of electricity. Now, what we don't want is a situation where there are more vehicles on the road. For that, we need a separate campaign where consumer behavior is analyzed from the perspective of those who drive private vehicles and what would convince them to shift to public transport like buses, buses, and decongest the roads.
Kumba ka long mentahi, ka sor shalong ka don habdeng ka jinya le, ka jinya kun, usha, ya ka jing kali. Ni tip bagi surok ki jongi, kiladap dagi kali, Henry, ka jing he jing ki surok, kadang ne kumju. Kat ba dang bun ki kali, kat ta nang jur ka tedem, bat kat ba nang reben ka tedem, kat ta nang ni ki ja jing pang balai pujan. Ti haduk kadmu kan cimpor ya kejela ban pai syakali elektrik ban yarap ya kamariang bat lat ya kejimpang ki bakla kelong ke aka ke bangin dang hapan up bat ban pek perman namar keni ke jingkela lani kata ka shift na ki kali petrol syakali elektrik kan dang cimpor haba pek ya ke jinglong jingman ba ke jing snow thu jong pai ba hi bilin Nagbenta kita ki parlo ki jongi ki pala dep thiet lani penankam ya kini ki EV lani ki kali electric. Wat klet ban bu ya ki komen ki jong pi ban pen snow shani ya ka jingi sham ki jong pi ka jing penankam ya kini ki electric vehicle. Pa nagbenta ki parlo ki jongi ki batmu ban thiet pai ki pai ba hi ke e ka pi snow habang ya kran chapang kini ki electric vehicle. But hatu pisngo bagi la mo ban mi pli ha kejaka jong kini ki kali pementa. Sashi sin pat wat kelet pan subscribe, like but share ya kani ke video bat ke channel ke jongi. Ngadi iban ke mauri nak benta upo fan media.